I'm deeply honored to represent Secretary Teodoro Barbosa and the entire DOH family in today's turnover ceremony of the first batch of the Bagong Pilipinas Mobile Clinic. The DOH seeks to strengthen preventive care and early disease diagnosis and management for all Filipinos. It is also the DOH's goal to bring healthcare services closer to the people. They will also strengthen local health systems and increase healthcare capacity nationwide, not only in Luzon. These mobile clinics are flexible solutions that will facilitate, again, early diagnosis, treatment, referral services to our people who find it hard to visit hospitals or clinics. They are capable of essential and quality laboratory procedures, including blood collection and analysis, X-ray, ultrasound, physical examination, and telemetry.
I just want to thank all the donors who are here now, for coming all the way here. At least you're going home with the bag. Stay for the meeting, Senator na high-tech, at sama-sama tayo babago.
Kami sa Universal Healthcare at ito yung malaking bagay sa pagsuporta sa Universal Healthcare, lalo na po sa mga probinsya, mga barangay, sa mga munisipyo. Dapat gumawa tayo ng mga bagay na maganda sa buhay ng bawat isa.